Friends, today we will talk about Rolex Rings IPO, which is aiming to raise 731 crores funds from the public, out of which 56 crores by issuing fresh equity shares to public and through offer for sale of 75 lakh equity shares. Hi friends, myself Shiva from Allfins. Our aim is to raise your financial awareness through the videos we make on behalf of Allfins channel. Please subscribe to Allfins YouTube channel and follow the Facebook page to achieve financial freedom. Why late? Let's begin with the topic. Friends, now we'll see Rolex Rings Company Limited basic info. Rolex Rings Limited is a Gujarat-based company and one of the leading forging companies in India. It manufactures hot-rolled forged and machine bearing rings and automatic components that are used across vehicle segments including two-wheelers, passenger vehicles, commercial vehicles, off-highway vehicles, electric vehicles and other segments namely industrial machinery, wind turbines and railways. Currently, the company has 3 manufacturing units in Rajkot with an annual achievable capacity of 1.44 metric tons in forging and 69 million parts per annum in machining. The company is one of the key manufacturers of bearing rings in India and caters to most of the leading bearing companies in the country. Along with India, the company supplies its components in 17 countries such as USA and in Europe countries such as Germany, France, Italy and also Thailand among others. Rolex has wealth of expertise in manufacturing transition components, engine components, chassis components, exhaust system components and bearing rings. Now coming to company financials, Rolex Rings Limited is increasing its profits year on year. You can see the numbers displayed on side of the screen. When you observe the revenues for the past 3 years, it is been decreasing. But when you observe the profits after tax, the profits are increasing year on year. And in case of EPS also, it is increasing year on year. But when you see this price band of 900 rupees and the PE is 25 times of it, which is slightly higher. So if you want to invest in Rolex Rings IPO, for the short term you can get good returns with the demand increasing for IPO. But when you are planning for the long term, please observe the company performance in future also. Automotive components manufacturer Rolex Rings share price premium jumped to 50% in the premium grey market ahead of opening its IPO. Rolex Rings shares are trading at 1350, a premium of 450 over the high end of the price. Now coming to quota allotted. The company in consultation with merchant bankers decided to reserve up to 50% of the offer for qualified institutional buyers and up to 15% for non-institutional bidders and up to 35% for the retail individual bidders. The minimum application that can be made by investor would be 16 equity shares and thereafter in multiples of 16 equity shares. Retail investors can invest a minimum of 14,400 per lot and a maximum investment would be 1,87,200 for maximum of 13 lots at the higher end of the price band and they are allotted to invest up to maximum 2 lakhs. Now coming to main part, that is Rolex Rings IPO details. IPO price band 880 to 900 per equity share. IPO opening date 20th July 2021. IPO closing date 30th July. Allotment date 4th August and initiation of funds 5th August. Shares are which are going to be listed on August 9th 2021. Equirus Capital Private Limited, IDBL Capital Markets and Securities Limited, JM Financial Limited have been appointed as merchant bankers for the IPO. Friends, hope you got the basic details of the IPO. Once again, save the date for Rolex Rings IPO and subscribe to become the shareholder in the company. Don't have Demat account to subscribe for Rolex Rings IPO? Why late? Click on the Zerodha link opening which is given in the description below and subscribe for Rolex Rings IPO as good start. Friends, I hope you are clear with the topic. If so, please like and share the video. Also subscribe to Allfins YouTube channel and follow the Facebook page. Moreover, if you have any doubts about financial products, please don't hesitate to post your query in the comment box. Also, click on the bell symbol next to each video to receive future uploaded video notifications. Friends, last one, if you want to clear your queries on stock market and mutual funds, you can also call me directly to my contact number displayed in the screen below from morning 10 AM to evening 6 PM on working days. Thank you.